Welcome to Home of Math. Following algebraic expression, we will find out the value of x. Let's start. Number 1. 2x minus 3 divide 5 equals to 3. So 2x minus 3 divide 5 equals to 3. So first, once we multiply both sides by 5, it will become 2x minus 3 equals to 3 times 5. We can write here multiply both sides by 5. Okay, then here is 2x equals to 3 times 5 is a 15 and minus 3 will become plus 3, right? Then 2x equals to 18. Both sides, if we divide by 2, the answer will be x equals to 9. We can write here divide both sides by 2 and our answer is x equals to 9. Number 2, 3 by 8 times 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So this equation we can multiply by 8. So answer will become 3 times 5x minus 3 equals to 0, because 0 times 8 means 0. So we can write here multiply both sides by 8. Now here is 15x minus 9 equals to 0. So 15x equals to plus 9, and then x equals to 9 by 15, because we divide both sides by 15. Divide both sides by 15. Okay. Now number 3. X plus 1 divide 5 equals to x plus 3 divide 6. Now look, we can do one thing. First one, we can multiply both sides by 5. In this case, this 5 will be out and here 5 will be at. Also we can multiply both sides by 6. So this one 6 will be out, or we can do cross multiplication. So in this case 6 times x plus 1 and 5 times x plus 3, and this one is cross multiplication. So here is 6x plus 6 and here is 5x plus 15, and this 6x and this 5x might become minus 5x, and here is 15 and plus 6 become minus 6, right? So our answer is x equals to what? 15 minus 6 is a 9, and this is our answer. Clear? So number 1, 2, 3 done. This video we are trying to solve these 9 math. Okay, now number 4. Number 4, x plus 1 minus 7 minus 3 times x minus 2 divide 14 equals to 1. So these two fractions are separate by minus. So in this case we can make LCD. So LCM is 14 and 7 is 14. So here is 2 and then x plus 1 minus 3 times x minus 2 equals to 1, and this one once we multiply both sides by 14, so here is 2x plus 2 and minus 3x plus 6, and here is 14. Now 2x minus 3x, it will become minus x, plus 6 plus 2, it will become plus 8. So 14 minus 8 we can write. So here is minus x, and here is 6, and our answer is, so x equals to minus 6. We multiply both sides, by minus 1. So our answer is x equals to minus 6. Number 5. Here is 6 minus 3x divide 3 minus 5x plus 14, 5x plus 12 divide 4 equals to minus 1. So these 3 and this 4, the LCM is 12, right? And here is 4 times what? 6 minus 3x and minus 12 divide 4, it will be 3, and times 5x plus 12 equals to minus 1. Now here is 4 times 6 is 24, then minus 12x minus 15x minus 36 equals to minus 12. Multiply both sides by 12. You can write inside note. Okay, now look, minus 12x minus 15x, it will be 27x, and it should minus, and minus 36 and 12, it will become minus 12 equals to minus 12. So here is minus 27x and minus 12, and this minus 12 will become plus 12. So minus 27x equals to 0. So x equals to what? X equals to 0. Once we divide both sides by minus 27, so minus 27 will be out, but once we divide by what? 0, so it will become 0. So our answer is 0. Okay, so number 4 and 5 done. Now number 6. Number 6, 2 times x plus 1 divide 5 minus 3 times x plus 1 divide 10 equals to x. So this one LCM is 10. So here 2 times 2, it means 4, x plus 1 minus 10 divide 10 is 1, so 3 x plus 1, and here is x. So we can write here 4x plus 4 minus 3x minus 3, and here is 10x. So 4x minus 3x, and here is minus 10x equals to minus 4 and plus 3. Okay, so here is minus 11x, and here is minus 1. So answer is x equals to minus 1 and divide minus 11. So we can write 1 divide 11, and this is our answer. Okay, clear? If you have any confusion, just write a line in the comments box. So number 5 and 6 done, and last part, which is number what? 8 and 9. Number 8, 2x plus 1 divide 4 minus x equals to 3x plus 1 divide 8 plus 1. So this one we can first we make LCM. So here is 2x plus 1, and here divide 4, 4 is LCM, and here is minus 4x equals to, the LCM is 8. So here is 3x plus 1 and plus 8, and cross multiplication. So here is 2x minus 4x, so it will become minus 2x, so 1 minus 2x, and this 8. Okay, and here is 3x plus 9, and this 4. Okay, so this one we can write 8 minus 16x equals to 12x plus 36. Okay, now we can write minus 16x, and this 12x become minus 12x equals to 36, and minus 8. So here is minus 28x, and here is 28 because 36 minus 8 is equals to 28. So x equals to 28 divide minus 28, so minus 1, and this is our answer. So number 8 done, and this video last math, which is 4 minus x minus 2 divide 2 equals to x plus 1 minus 2x divide 3. So this one we can write like this. So here is also a, we can do one thing, we can exchange x, or we can do from here. So this one LCM is 2, so here is 8 minus x minus 2 equals to LCM is 3, so 3x plus 1 minus 2x. So we can write here 8 minus x minus and minus plus 2, okay, and cross multiplication, this one 3 become front, and 2x minus 3x minus 2x, it will be x, and here is plus 1 and 2. Okay, now look, 8 plus 2 is a 10, 10 times 3 is a 30, and 3 times 1 is, here is minus 3x, and here is 2x plus 2. Okay, now minus 3x minus 2x equals to 2 and minus 30. So here is minus what? Minus 5x equals to 2 minus 30 is of 28. So our answer is x equals to 28 divide 5, right? Both side minus 1. Once we multiply, the minus will become 1. So 28 by 5 is our answer. It's an improper fraction. We can write like this, 28 divide 5, it will be 5, so 25, and here is 3. So we can write like this, 5 by 3. Is it okay? No, it's not okay. It should, here is 5 and here is 3, okay, and it will become a mixed fraction. So no more today, already we completed 9 math. Next video we will do another types of algebraic expression. Till practice your home more and more. Thank you very much being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel.